Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I decided to do a video on dollar store DIYs. Most of the things at the dollar store now are no longer $1. So when I say dollar store, it could have been like $1 to $5. So I end up finding a few pieces. Some pieces I did pay $1, $1.25. Some pieces I paid $4, but nonetheless, on a budget, cheap way to do something and a cheap way to get creative and have fun and play around. So I created some DIYs for you and I hope you enjoy this video. But before we get into it, I wanted to say a big thank you to Cozy Island. Now, if you don't know Cozy Island, they have such comfortable shoes, purses, sandals, handbags, flats, and they are super comfortable. When I say comfortable, as I am getting older, I am realizing that yes, look has to be beautiful, but comfort is as important. So when they reached out to me, I was so happy because I have been eyeing their stuff for a while. They have heels that are not too high, not too flat. They have shoes for everybody. And when I say that is they have smaller heels, they have a little bit bigger heels, some of them platform, some of them flats. There's ballerina styles, sandals. There's so many things to choose from, and even handbags. So I wanted to show you two of the pieces that I ended up getting. And the reason being is, obviously, you know, I am probably right now as this video goes up, I am on my trip. And so I wanted a pair of brown boots. What I love, let me show you. So here they are. They are these simple brown boots. But what I love is they are stretchable. They can fit any leg really. And I have itty bitty ankles. I've talked about my itty bitty ankles in so many videos. And the fact that they have stretch so they can fit someone that has a little bit thicker ankles. But the fact that they're more fitted on my ankles is a plus. And I love this chocolate brown. I love that the heel wasn't too tall as well. And the great part is underneath it is rubber, so there's non-slip underneath. I love that because, you know, there's some shoes that you wear, and a lot of shoes that I have gotten I was not able to wear because when I wear them I feel very wobbly on certain surfaces, but these have that rubber where you feel more grounded and more comfortable when you're walking. So I am obsessed with these. They come in different colors. They also come in different prints. There's snakeskin, leopard. There's also some red one. There's beige, there's ivory, there's a cream color. There's all kinds of other colors to choose from. But most of their shoes, that's what I love, has this stretch. And I feel as though it can fit as a one size fits all. So the style that I got was the minimalist pointed toe heeled boot. I am obsessed with them. And then I also had to get myself a handbag, and I love this handbag. I had been eyeing it for a while. I was debating between the black one and the beige one, but finally I decided to pull the plug and get the beige one. So let me show you. It's their woven large handbag, and I think it's perfect for a beach day. I think it's perfect for an everyday. You can also fold it over like this and wear it more like a clutch. You know I love to wear my clutches. And the quality is so beautiful. It feels luxe, you know? It feels pretty. So you can either wear it like this. There's so many ways to wear it and get creative. You can add some little bedazzling to it. I love the two-tone color. It has a black handle here and then the beige woven part. And what I fell in love with, I think the most, was the shape of it. That square here, I've never seen something like this, and I thought was different, but still one of those bags that you can pull out and wear anywhere you go. It's a perfect vacation or taking on a trip bag. It also comes in a little duffel bag like this, and inside it has another bag where you can put all of your belongings. That's a great feature too. They also have the smaller version, so if you're not someone that loves oversized bags, they also have a smaller version. They also have so many other bags, so if you're looking for a perfect bag, then I would definitely say to go check their bag section out. At first I was going to get the black one, but I felt the black one, as much as it's beautiful, they give two different styles, and I wanted something that would look beautiful with earthy tone outfits, and I think that this one is the perfect bag. All in all, what I love about this company is that, first of all, it's stylish, it's comfortable, it's versatile. So anyway, if you're interested, I will leave a link down below. They are super sweet. They're offering you a discount code as well. So anyway, happy shopping. We are going to jump right into this DIY video. Enjoy. is it. I hope you enjoyed these dollar store DIYs. Let me know which one's your favorite. Moving on to my outfit, you always ask. Hat, I thrifted it. Shirt, it's a two-piece set, so it's a little short set, and then with the top, I got it at Forever 21. And then I also got this thrift shopping in the kids section. So when I tell you, you can find all kinds of things in the kids section, this is one of those things. So I got the tie there, jewelry, all of Koakaya, and that is pretty much it. That is the whole outfit. That's the whole look. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up, your continuous support. It truly means the world to me. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. I am thinking I'm going to share with you my little trip. I'm so excited. I am taking you guys along with me because, of course, where I go, you come. I can't wait to share my little adventure with you. So I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Have an amazing day. Mwah. Bye, guys.